Hello, my name is Jamina Cremazzolo with Top Florida Homes, and I'm here today at our new listing in the beautiful community of Hanover Lakes. Great location, close to Lake Nona, the medical city, lots of major highways, lots of shopping and restaurants nearby, lots of entertainment really. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so as you walk through the covered entry, you're greeted by a large living room area. Now this can serve as a formal living room, formal dining, or it could also be an office if you'd like. And then coming in, we have the stairs to our right up here and also a powder bathroom here. And then it opens up to this large open kitchen space. The kitchen has been upgraded with 42-inch cabinets and quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances that will stay with the home. And I love that the kitchen overlooks the large family room over here. Lots of bright light coming in and a beautiful view outside, but I'll show you that in just a bit. Let's go upstairs. Okay, so one of the great features of this home is this open loft area up here. It's perfect for a playroom, a media room, or you can even convert it into a fifth bedroom. Now all the 4 bedrooms are located upstairs, as well as the laundry room, which I find that as a plus. And both of the bathrooms have dual sinks, which is great as well. So now let's go outside and check it out. Okay, so now we're in the backyard, and as you can see, we have a beautiful covered lanai, and this home sits on a premium lot with no neighbors to your right and a huge backyard. Enough space to build a pool or have a playground or a trampoline. And this community is actually known as a waterfront community. So one of the nice features about this community is that you're able to build your own dock right outside your backyard. This canal here leads all the way up to Alligator Lake, which is a huge lake here in St. Cloud. Another great thing about this community here is that it has a resort-style swimming pool, a splash pad, a park, a beautiful community really. So again, my name is Jamina Cremazzolo with Top Florida Homes, and thank you for watching my video.